Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to build an enclosure for your Robo R1 3D printer. Adding an enclosure allows you to retain more of the heat that the printer generates, which helps with issues like layer delamination and warping, especially on larger prints. So here's the one big caveat to this project. You will need a laser cutter or at least access to a laser cutter to build this exact enclosure. I'll include a link to the files in the description so you can cut a set of parts yourself. The benefit of this design is that it's modular and doesn't require any permanent modifications to your printer. Additionally, it can be disassembled easily and stored in a flat configuration. So for this next part, you're going to need a bit of super glue. But if you want to put this case together permanently, you'll also need some wood glue. We'll start by gluing the window panel together first. Pick up the panel with a rectangular hole in it and use super glue to attach the acrylic rectangle to it. Next, attach the bottom panel to the two side panels by putting the tabs into their respective slots. Make sure that the side with the longer extension faces outward away from the side with the angled walls. Attach the other wall, and then slide the small tabbed inserts into their respective slots. If you want to make this assembly permanent, then dab a little bit of wood glue on the tabs before you slide them in, and that should keep them in place. Now, flip the assembly over and attach the larger top panel just like you did for the bottom panel. Again, take care to note that one side is longer than the other, so make sure that side faces outward towards the flat side of the walls. Now, attach the window panel of the case just like you did for the top and bottom panels. Okay, you're almost done. All you gotta do now is attach these little grippers to the insides of the case. These little grippers allow you to attach the case to the printer without permanently modifying the printer itself. So there are two parts to this case, but they both assemble exactly the same. So do what you just did, but now for the other side. Okay, before you attach the case to the printer, you're gonna need to have a new way to mount the spool to the printer. This is because the default spool holder that comes with the Robo R1 obstructs the path of the new case that we just put together. To this end, I created a simple 3D printable model that allows you to mount the spool to the top of the printer. Now you can begin attaching the front and the back portions of the case to the printer. You can do this by slightly compressing the sides of the case such that the hooks can latch onto the housing of the printer. When attaching the back portion of the case, make sure to pull the ribbon cable up and push the bed towards the front. That way you have room to attach the case. And that's pretty much it for this build. Hopefully by adding this case to your printer you should see more reliable prints. The better temperature management means that bed and layer adhesion should be improved. So if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. I'll have another video coming out soon to show you how to add Octoprint to your printer, which should allow you to send print jobs and monitor your printer over Wi-Fi.